what we can learn from this chart is that you should not trade against the trend, and the trend is your friend. So what does this mean? This means that you have to always trade with the trend. Where is the market going? What is the trend? Is the trend bullish or bearish? So in this case, we had a price from this low here, and then after that we had a massive bullish run on DEX, as you can see. And this is a daily time frame, meaning that this is a lot of pips here. This is a lot of pips. This is like 4,000 pips. So always trade with the trend and don't trade against the trend. I know most of you just want to catch the highs and whatever, the reversal or whatever, but it is important to know where does the reversal occur or not. So in this video, guys, we're going to have a look at what is happening in the market, where our indices are going, and what we can expect in the next coming week in the market. So are we buyers or are we sellers? So we're going to start with DEX on the daily time frame, as you can see, because it's a weekend. We're not looking at the lower time frame because we are not looking for setups. We're just looking for the direction of the market. Where is the market going next? So in this case, we're going to start here with the DEX, the GER40. We started with this here. We are currently trading inside this range, but we have broken out of this range with this price action here, and this price action took out the double top that I've talked about in the previous weeks. So we had price forming this low here, and the banks were buying here, and then after we saw a massive bullish run and a little bit of retracement in here, and then the bullish run continued to go down. So if you are buying all this time, you are making money each and every single day and each and every single week. So right now, what we can expect on DEX is this. Since we have taken out this bullish, double top here, we can expect a reversal at this level here, around this level here. But what I want to look for is that I want to see price going up as it's opening, and then after that, just like this, let me just draw it, going up just like this, and then giving us a reversal around that level, and then we can sell in the market right now. So for now, price remains bullish on the GER40, and then we can just expect to see the bulls taking control until they give us a clear reversal. It's possible that they might push price higher than this just to form a new high. So with the indices, the nice thing about the indices is that when they are trending, they're just trending at that direction. Unlike the currencies, the currency pair was going to move like this. So we saw a bullish run. This was a beautiful bullish run, and we can just expect price to give us a reversal for the sales, and then once we see a clear reversal, we're gonna sell. But if we don't see a clear reversal, we're not gonna sell the GER40. Let's move on to NASDAQ and see what's happening on NASDAQ. So with NASDAQ, we had a price taking out these highs, which I've talked about in previous videos. As you can see, they took this first high here, and then after that, with a massive bullish candlestick, they took out this high here. And after this, we can see clearly that maybe they are going for this level, which is 22,400 level, and then we can expect a reversal after taking out that level and see if the sellers are going to take control of the market. If not, we buy. We just go with the trend, guys. Remember, the trend is your friend. Always look at where the trend is going and trade with that direction each and every single time. Don't try to catch the reversals and all those things. And yeah, guys, it's as simple as that. You just look for price to go higher and then maybe take out this level. Once they take out this high, you can expect price to give us a reversal, and then after reversing, we're gonna be selling in the market. We're gonna be looking for sell setups on the lower time frames. And then now let's go to the Dow Jones. So one thing about the indices is that they move the same. They move the same direction, as you can see here. If DEX is bullish, Nasdaq is going to be bullish, and if Nasdaq is bullish, Dow Jones is going to be bullish. So that's how the indices move, and then that's why I like to trade the indices instead of the currency pairs, because they move the same direction. I know, okay, if Nasdaq gives me a setup, the US30 is likely going to give me a setup. So with the US30, as you can see here, we had this high. They've taken it out on Friday, and then after forming this temporary high here, and then giving people a false hope of a reversal, and then after price went up. So Monday we can expect price to take out this high here, and then after that maybe they can go for this high. But there's a possibility that once they take out this high, it can reverse here, because Nasdaq and DAX are at their highest price levels, and they can reverse any time. Sorry about that. So that's what I mean. And then we can just see price is just clear as day and night. You can see price can go up or it can go down. So we're just going to wait for a reversal for a sell if you want to sell the market. But let's just trade with the trend. Right now the trend is bullish, so we are bullish in the market. We are bulls in the market, not the best. So yeah guys, on the index, that's my take on the indices for now. And then let's go to gold and see what gold is doing. Gold is very, very interesting. Gold has been moving very interesting. I want you to notice something here. Price went down, right? And then this gives us a hope of a reversal. So they gave us this swing high here, and then after that they taken out this low, and then after that they reversed price to go up. So what they did, they respected this high. So what does this mean? When they respect the high, it means that the market is going on a downside. So after that we saw price reversing again with this swing high, the second swing high, taking out this low. So what we can observe from this pricing is that the lows are getting taken out and the highs are getting respected. So that means it's a bearish market. So we can expect price maybe to continue to go lower. So my take is that they're going for this low here. We might see price reaching for this low, and then after that giving us a reversal to the upside. So every time, like when you are looking at the market, simplify everything for yourself. Don't complicate it. On the higher time frame, just look for the direction. Is the market bullish or bearish? And then once you know that the market is bearish, you're going to look for sells on the lower time frames.